This tutorial review will show you how to add an event reminder to an Instagram feed post. Open your Instagram application. Tap on this plus icon at the bottom. Select a photo or video to post and tap on next. Next. And here tap on add reminder. Enter the reminder name. Tap on start time and select here the starting time and tap on done. And you can add a in time by tapping here. Tap on done. Tap on share. And this is how we can add an event reminder to an Instagram feed post. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.